All right, after morning showers and thunderstorms passed through, most of our afternoon has been very quiet. We have a couple of thickening cumulus clouds over the FM area right now, as shown by the Coronado.com Valley Skycam. A look at your current conditions out at Hector. Holding on to some mild temperatures this evening, still in the low 80s out there, with northwest winds starting to taper off a bit, now only 10 miles per hour, still 79 at Moorheads Airport. That's the same reading we have this hour in Valley City after a gully washer of a storm this morning. Devil's Lake picking up some rain as well. 80 degrees there. 80 in Thief River Falls. Temperatures a little cooler across western Minnesota. A lot of upper 70s there. And some very heavy rain from Fergus Falls through much of central Becker County in towards Hubbard County as well. Here is a look at our satellite and radar as we head into the evening hours. Very quiet conditions, no concerning weather here. A peak to the south and to the east shows thunderstorms that have passed through the Twin Cities now, pressing into southeasternmost parts of Minnesota. And then what we are watching for tomorrow is a wave of energy in parts of central Canada right now. So there's going to be several hours of tranquil weather in between, and that begins right now. Temperatures this evening slipping down towards 70 degrees by the next time we talk at Valley News Live 10 at 10. Then as we head through the overnight hours, the coolest chunk of air is going to situate itself right over north central parts of Minnesota. That's where we'll have temperatures in those 50s to start the day. Elsewhere closer to 60 degrees as you're heading out the door on your Tuesday morning. Now, in the first hours of the day, it looks delightful. Light wind, under 10 miles per hour for most. Temperatures warming nicely, 70s and low 80s for that lunch hour. And then in the afternoon, we'll start to see an increase in wind as a cool front approaches from the north. Now, as that happens, the gustiest winds will likely be associated with the system moving in to the far west and to the far north. But most of our evening looks very quiet, with temperatures that will be sizzling once again in the northern valley. Dry Grand Forks at 88 degrees, 85 Fargo. And it does look like we'll have 80-degree readings as well in Lakes Country. Now, as we head into the evening hours, the best chance of thunderstorms appears to be up north into northwest Minnesota. As we go into the late evening hours, we could have some very, very strong thunderstorms in portions of South Dakota. Fargo kind of gets split there with the storm chances, but we cannot say we will not have a storm. There's a chance of that here. Best risk of severe weather tomorrow will be found in central parts of South Dakota. Here's a look at your planning forecast as we begin our day. 60 degrees, sunshine and light winds carry us all the way into the mid 80s for our afternoon. Late clouds and a slight chance of a thunder shower. Best chance of storms will be in northwest Minnesota. Temperatures closer to 80 degrees there, mid and upper 80s in the valley, and a lot of mid 80s across western and central North Dakota. It's a view from Otter Tail County. Andrew captured as storms made their way through there, dumping an abundant amount of rain. And here is a look at your forecast for Wednesday. After the cool front moves through, look at its impact on your temperatures, 70s there. I'm expecting temperatures to be very cool all the way through the end of the week. Saturday, the heat returns in moderation with a chance of storms.
It's okay to ramp it up a little bit for the weekend.
Indeed, yes.
Thanks, Sutch.
You bet.